Understanding Red Carpet Buzz, a fun English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an exciting and glamorous phrase, red carpet buzz. So, get ready to add some sparkle to your English vocabulary and understand what this phrase really means. First, let's break it down. The red carpet is a long, red floor runner traditionally used at formal events and celebrity gatherings. It symbolizes prestige, glamour, and exclusivity. When you think of the red carpet, imagine movie stars, award shows, and high-profile galas. It's where celebrities are photographed and interviewed, making it a symbol of special treatment and recognition. Now, let's talk about buzz. In this context, buzz is not the sound bees make. Instead, it refers to excitement, chatter, and anticipation. Buzz is what you feel in the air when everyone is talking about something. It's the rumors, discussions, and hype surrounding an event or person. So, when we combine these two words, red carpet buzz refers to the excitement and chatter surrounding high-profile, glamorous events. It's the talk of the town when there's a big awards show or celebrity event. Red carpet buzz includes everything from who's wearing what, to who's winning awards, to any drama that might be unfolding. It's a phrase that captures the glitz, gossip, and anticipation of these star-studded occasions. And that's red carpet buzz for you. It's a phrase that brings together the world of celebrities, fashion, and public excitement. We hope this video has helped you understand this sparkling piece of English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be talking about the red carpet buzz like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.